Uh, Hello students, let's see an example. The number of ways of arranging P, 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 Q, 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 R, R, S. That is P's are 4, Q's are 5, 2 R's and 1 S. In a row, taken all at a time. Uh, the question is not over. So the first part after this is this. If all p's are separated from one another, how do we do this? How we can approach this? So far we have seen gap method in distinct letters. Can we use gap method? Can we use gap method for identical objects, letters? So the answer is yes, we can use. So now let's see how we do this by gap method. If you recall, we write what first? Yes, we write the non-constraint letters and create gaps. That we will write now, first step. So the non-constraint were 5 Q's, 2 R and 1 S. So after writing them, what we will do? We will create gaps between them on both sides. So there are 8 such letters. So how many gaps are created? Yes, 9 gaps are created. Now in these 9 gaps we will fill what? The constraint elements, which are what? Which are 4 p's. So in 9 gaps we will choose how many for these 4? 4 in how many ways? So yes, in 9C 4 ways. 9 P4 we would have used, but the 4 P's are identical. That's why we use 9C4. A typical 4 spaces chosen for 4 identical P's. An example may look like this. So a typical example, as you can see, if we put any 4 P's here, here, we are left with 3, 4, 5 blank spaces, which we know that they are of no use. So it actually means this. Now the positions of the non-constraint letters are defined like this. So these are how many positions? 8 positions. So 8 positions and 8 letters can be arranged in how many ways, in which 2 R's identical and 5 Q's are identical? Yes, it is 8 factorial divided by what? 2 factorial into 5 factorial. 2 factorial for 2 R's and 5 factorial for 5 Q's. So that is the answer. Now let's see part B for this example. If all p's are together, how many such arrangements taken all the letters at a time are possible? So which reminds us what? Can we use binding, principle of binding? Here, there which are identicals are there. So yes, principle of binding for identical objects letters can we use here? So answer is yes, we can use like this. All the 4 p's must be together, so we will put it inside We'll put it inside a bracket followed by non-constraint elements, letters, which are 5 Qs, 2 Rs and 1 S. Okay. Now how many letters or how many objects are there? If we add from here to here, it sums up to how many? Yes, 9. Okay. In which these are considered as 1, as we do in principle of binding. Now how many ways we can arrange this? In which 5 Qs are identical, 2 Rs are identical. So what are number of ways, number of arrangements in which all P's are together? What's the answer? It is 9 objects, 9 factorial, but there are identical 5 Qs and 2 Rs. So we will divide it by 5 factorial for 5 Qs and 2 factorial for 2 R. And what about the arrangement of the 4 P's among themselves? Since they are identical, we can't arrange them. So that is the final answer. Okay. Now let's see the part C of this example. All P's, all Q's, all P's, all Q's, all R's are together separately. Now what does this means? The meaning is this: all P's we have to bind, Q's we have to bind, R's we have to bind. Okay. So all P's inside the bracket, all Q's together inside bracket, all R together, and then est. So we now have to use binding. So how many objects are there for binding? 4 P's considered as 1, 5 Q's 1, 2 R's 1, 1 S 1. So total 4 objects, which can be arranged in how many ways? Yes, 4 factorial ways. Anything else which needs to be multiplied apart from 4 factorial? Nothing, because 4 P's can be arranged among themselves in one ways only, Q's and R's also. So 4 factorial is the final answer. Now let's see part D for this. Number of permutations taken all at a time in which all P's together, all R's together, but not adjacent. What's the meaning of this? Let's see by an example. Now in this example, the 4 P's and 2 R's, they are adjacent. So is this what this question wants? Yes or no? So cross, no. The second example, R, there is a gap in between, Q is also there. After that 4 P's are there. So is this what this question is asking? Answer is yes. So how do we get such arrangements in which all P's are together, R's together, but not side by side in any arrangement, or not adjacent? What we will use? Yes, we will do gap method. We will create gaps. So first we will write non-constraint elements. What are those? 5 Q's and S. We will create gaps. How many gaps are there created? 7 gaps are created. Now in these 7 gaps, what will come? What are the objects? What are the letters or set of letters will occupy these gaps? Yes, out of 7 gaps created, 2 gaps will be occupied by 4 P's and 2 R's. In how many ways? 7 P2 ways. For example, like this. in which now the remaining gaps, 5 gaps, they are removed like this. Now in these specified positions, these 3, 4, 6 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 6 factorial ways, but out of that 5 Q's are identical, so we have to divide it by 5 factorial. Now let's take a different example now. Number of different words that can be formed using all letters of the word Meet Bala such that if 2 vowels are together and the other 2 are also together but separated from first 2. So what's the meaning of this? So let's see the meaning of this. The question is saying that if 2 vowels are together and the other 2 are also together, it means how many vowels are there? E, E and A, A. Okay. One of the possibility of writing is E, E, A, A. The other possibilities may be like this. A, E, A, E. Okay. And so on, etc. EA is also possible and so on. So what it is saying that if 2 vowels are together and the other 2 are also together but separated from the first 2. Let me write an example to illustrate this. Here AA, EE are together. Here also together but they are adjacent. Here also AE and AE are taken, two vowels combinations, and they are not together. The question is saying, according to the question, which ones of these examples the question wants us to write? Number of ways. First and third, and not the second one. Why? Because there it is saying that if the other 2 are also together but separated from the first 2. So these 2 are together but they are separated from the other 2 in first and third example, but here they are not separated from the other 2. It means they should not be adjacent. So these type of arrangement we have to find. So how we will do? Let's see the approach on this. So the approach is we have 4 vowels. So other which are there, M, T, B, L, are non-constraint elements. So we will use, the approach is to use gap method. So now we will do what? We will create gaps. Now in each gap, not one letter but a pair of vowels will go. And again we have 2 cases like this. The first case, so we know that 5 gaps are created. Okay, in the first case we will take AA and EE. AA and EE will be filled in 2 gaps out of 5 gaps. In how many ways? Yes, there are 5 gaps of which 2 are required. So 5P2 will come or 5C2 will come. So yes, 5P2 will come because AA and EE are distinct and 5 gaps are also distinct. After putting AA, EE in any 2 of the given gaps, other gaps we know will cease to exist, they would be useless. So MTBL, wherever they are, they can be arranged in how many ways? Yes, 4 factorial ways for MTBL at their respective positions. Now if we solve 5P2 into 4 factorial like this, 5p2 is written as 5 factorial by 3. 4 factorial is written as 4 into 3 factorial, so that 3 factorial cancels out. 5 factorial is, we know, is 120, or we can calculate as 120 into 4, we will get 480. So this came from first case. So other cases also we get a final answer would be the sum of all the answers that we got in different cases. So what should be the second case, that is case 2. So the other combinations of the 4 vowels is AE. Okay. Now first what we will do, there may be EA AE also, AE EA also. Okay, all these combinations all these cases would be taken care of in this case itself while the calculation. Now first thing, AE can be placed in these 5 gaps in how many ways? 5p2 or 5c2? So the answer is 5c2. Why? Because 5 distinct gaps, we will choose only 2, okay, in which AE, since they are identical, so P2 won't come, okay, only selection is sufficient. Once we selected them, okay, then what we will do? For example, a typical case may look like this. After assigning 2 gaps, other 3 gaps, they may cease to exist, and the typical arrangement will look like this. Now at these positions, this AE can be permuted in how many ways? Yes, 2 ways, and another AE again in 2 ways. So these two ways that we have to write here, that we have to multiply. So 5c2, selecting spaces for AE and then arranging them in 2 into 2 ways. Now what we are left with is MTBL, which can be arranged in how many ways? Yes, so MTBL can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So if we solve this, what we will get? 5c2 is 10, 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 factorial we can write as, which gives us 24 into 4, 96 into 10, 960. So what is the final answer? It is the total of case 1, which was 480, and the second case answer, which was 960. So the final answer is the addition of these two, which is 1440. Okay.